So you believe say flood, this flood wey we dey see everywhere, say e go scatter we world again, e go scatter everywhere just as e happen for the days of Noah. So you think say that kind thing go happen again? So you think say God go allow that kind thing happen again for this time? Because he been promised Noah. And I don't know, I mean, na because of the way we be say we weather and everything they change. So you think say e be like say we get what we don't forget, or e be like say something where we no know they happen. So you think say that flood will happen again? Now be the matter what just there. So you think say go fit happen again? Because people don't they talk one or two things where they make am look like say the flood go happen again. Even some people now don't they do something wey be like say they won't do am like that day of Noah. Make them build something like that way Noah built, because they want make some people take safe and all that. Maybe as if waiting God talk for Bible, he don't change his mind. So he no go fit do wetin he want, as he won't do another thing. So you think say that thing, God, they inside. That be the matter we want to look today. So make you follow me sharply. Make we know wetin Bible really talk. Make we know wetin God really talk concerning this matter where we want to enter. So, una welcome. People. Now, for the Bible book of Genesis, e get wetin Bible talk. Another thing now we want look. Shey this flood, whether God will keep him word, abi God go change his mind. Now we want look today. So sharply, we go look am for different angle. We go look am as wetin God really talk to Noah. He affect us. Wetin Jesus also talk concerning this Noah and the ark wey he build, and wetin this thing he finally mean for we wey we dey for this way time. Now be the two of one carry do sharply. So make we start with Baba God. Wetin Baba God really talk concerning this Noah's ark wey we dey hear, where people don't dey confused, where people dey run up under kitty kata. But make we know wetin Bible really talk. We go look am for inside the Bible book of Genesis chapter 9. From verse 8 go read verse 17. See wetin Bible talk. See wetin Baba God talk. He said God come tell Noah and his son say, see, I dey make my covenant with you and your children, and with everything wey dey alive, all the birds and animals, everything wey follow you come out from the boat. Now with this word I take enter covenant with you. I promise say I no go ever destroy the earth with water again. And God say, this na the sign for the covenant wey I dey make with you and everything wey get life from. And this covenant na from one generation go reach another. I go use rainbow as sign for the sky, and it go be sign for the covenant wey I make with the earth. Whenever I bring cloud, make it cover the earth, and the rainbow sign appear for the sky, then I go remember the covenant wey I make with una and everything wey get life according to how dem be. Water no go ever come destroy the earth and everything wey get life again. When the rainbow dey for the cloud, I go see am, come remember the everlasting covenant between me and everything wey get life for this earth. So God tell Noah, this na sign for the covenant wey I make between me and everything wey get life for the earth. Una see the matter. God say he no go allow water destroy the earth ever again. Now wetin he talk. And another thing wey if you hear that thing, he say na covenant. So sharply, wetin we dey talk be say when God promise to do something, he dey do am. Make I carry una go another place to show say God need a lie when he talk anything. For the book of Psalm 89 verse 34, see wetin Bible talk. He said, no, I no go break my promise. I no go take back one single word wey I talk. Meaning say that thing wey God talk to Noah, he no go change am, he no go break am. Meaning say if anybody dey tell you say God go take flood take destroy this world again, not be true, not be Baba God word, not be Baba God word, no believe am. See wetin Baba God talk. Make I also show you another thing for the book of Isaiah. For Isaiah 55 verse 11, see wetin Baba God talk. He said, na so e be too, na so e be too with the word wey I dey talk. He go must do wetin I plan for am. He go must do everything wey I say send am. Make he come do. He must do everything wey I send am make he come do. Wetin I dey talk? E mean say when Baba God talk, in word no dey fail. If he call a name, no say that name na in authority, na in integrity. When he open him mouth talk anything, na in integrity be that, which means if him word fail, he don fail. So if Baba God don't fit tell Noah say, I no go ever destroy this world again with water, it no go happen. It means say anybody wey talk say flood, water go destroy this life, e no dey according as wetin Baba God talk. And if no be Baba God talk am for a word wey be say na be the final authority wey we get, then I no sure say I suppose believe that kind thing wey the person dey talk. I no suppose believe am, because Jesus don talk say people go come talk wetin he no talk. So I no suppose believe am. Make I show you another thing. This one na wetin Baba God don talk, because Baba God word he no dey fail. So wetin we gats remember, or wetin we gats know be say God name dey represent him character and the reputation who him be. God word dey represent he himself, the integrity wey he carry, because he dey do wetin he talk and he dey talk wetin he dey do. Na be the thing we get to know for this thing we just read now. And also we get to know say that promise wey he make to Noah, he talk say from generation to generation, and our own to na generation, which means say we sef we follow. So if he say he no go destroy this world with water again, it means say it no go happen for our own time. Now so the matter be. So anybody or anything where they try come out to turn show say this world go destroyed by water, e no correct, e no dey according to wetin Baba God talk. And if Baba God no talk, then I say not be word, I no believe am. Now so it be. He say even if water won't cover this world, once he don't see the rainbow wey be say na him put, he say anytime when he see that rainbow, he go remember in covenant wey he make with the people wey he create, and because of that rainbow wey he see, he no go do am. And that rainbow we still dey see until today, still dey see until tomorrow. Meaning say Baba God never forget. And that rainbow na the symbol, na the thing wey carry show say I get mercy on all the things, all the people wey me I create. So that one na wetin Baba God talk, so that you go know say Baba God no go destroy this world with flood again. So anything wey dey apart from wetin Baba God word talk, no believe am, no follow am, no be God. God am no dey. Now make we see wetin Jesus carry your own mouth take talk about this ark and this Noah flood. Make we go sit down. When we consider wetin Oga Jesus talk, Oga Jesus talk for the book of Matthew. Make I read am as e dey for the Bible. For Matthew chapter 24 for verse 36 go reach 39. He said, nobody know that day or the time, even the angel for heaven no know am, except my Papa. But just as it happened for Noah time, now so man pikin go take come. For Noah time, the people, by that time when the flood come, people they chop and drink, they marry, and they give their pikin for marriage until the day when Noah entered the ark. Them no know wetin dey happen. until water come carry them go. Now like that it go be when man pikin go come. Una see the matter. So wetin Jesus talk concerning Noah, in case somebody tell you say Jesus talk, see wetin Jesus talk concerning Noah ark. You see, he no talk say flood go come again. He no talk. Wetin he talk, the second thing he say, he talk say that the day when he go come, e go be like people go dey behave like dem dey behave the day when Noah bin dey enter the ark. How dem dey behave? They just dey do anyhow. They lose guard, they misbehave, then they chop, they throw away, they eat and they drink. Everything they continue as if nothing dey happen until Noah and him family enter the ark. Na so e be. Na wetin Jesus dey say, wetin he dey try bring out for here, na say here, make una dey prepared because something dey come. So if anybody dey tell you say in dey prepare the ark of Noah to take save people, no look am as per the ark wey dey prepare, because the thing wey go cast low, if it be say the person dey tell you indirectly say get ready, something dey come wey be say e go sweep people like water. And I go tell you wetin that thing be, and if you follow me. So now we don see with wetin Oga Jesus talk and wetin Baba God talk, say when you join the two of them together, flood no go ever destroy this world again. That's what he promised am. So anybody wey tell you say flood go destroy this world, anybody wey tell you say, oh, we wan build something, we say because we hear say, we see say flood go come, all those things na no be na lie, no be God talk. God no talk am, because we don see am. You sef don read am inside Baba God. He no talk so. He don promise us say he no go destroy this life with flood again because of his mercy. So anybody wey dey tell you that kind of thing, no, I no know you. Now you go choose. But me, I no believe am. I no agree, because he no dey for wetin Bible talk, and God word no dey fail, and Jesus no dey lie. So e means say something dey wrong, or e means say the person no get the message well, and they no know how to pass am. Because when you check for we environment, so if you check for we weather, rain dey fall. If you check for history, e get the times wey be say flood happen wey be like say the whole world wan end, but e no end. But e never get a flood wey be say e worry the whole world at the same time, just as it happen for the days of Noah. So that one, my brother, my sister, now to show you say e get message wey Baba God wan tell us, and wetin he wan tell us, he wan make we prepare, because e get wetin wan happen. Just like Jesus talk and say, as he dey for the days of Noah, na so e go be for the day when man pikin go come. So for the next part of this message, we wan see wetin Jesus dey try tell us, because wetin happen for Noah, we go see am, and wetin Jesus dey try warn us, we go equally see am, so that anybody wey tell you say God tell am to build ark or anything, then you go know also wetin God dey try tell people wey be say dem no know. Make we see for the next video and for the next message. May Baba God bless you.